Who else was at the Experience Carpet Cleaner and Restoration Trade Show in Las Vegas last week? If you weren't there, you missed a party. Plus, Google's shaking up your business profile, so you're going to want to watch this week's episode if you want to grow your carpet cleaning business. I'm Ruben with BookCleaningJobs.com, and we help carpet cleaners book more jobs. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Who was in Las Vegas last week for the Experience? It was held September 7th, 8th, and 9th at Caesars Forum in Las Vegas. Let me know if you were there this year. Just leave me a comment below and say, hey, I was there in Las Vegas. I'm sorry if we didn't get to meet in person. I'm going to try to attend all the future Experience conferences, so maybe I'll get to meet you at the next one. But as a quick reminder, the Experience is the best live education, convention, and trade show in the cleaning, restoration, and remediation industry. It was held at Caesars Forum last week in Las Vegas. It was hot as hell in Las Vegas, but that was all right because I can honestly say that the Experience lived up to the hype. I thought the trade show floor was probably the best thing about it. It was so cool to see all that equipment, all those chemicals, a lot of stuff being demoed live. I mean, if you want to try out like low moisture carpet cleaning equipment or a new truck mount or something like that, all that stuff was available to you at the Experience. You could get your hands on it. If you wanted to meet people that maybe you've seen on Facebook groups or interacted with in Facebook groups, people like Rob from Truck Mount Forums, people like Roger Lloyd, people like Howard Partridge, all those people were there at the event live in person. So if you wanted to meet them, a lot of them were on the trade show floor. You could shake hands with them and introduce yourself if you wanted to. I met a lot of those people and I'm happy that I did. Howard Partridge, by the way, awesome session. There were a lot of sessions at the Experience last week. A lot of them were on hands-on cleaning, that type of stuff. I don't own a cleaning business anymore, so I didn't attend a lot of those sessions, but I did attend as many of the marketing and management sessions as I could squeeze into my schedule. And I'll say that Howard Partridge's session stood out to me above all the others. There were a lot of great sessions, but Howard in particular, I thought he really put on a great performance. Howard talks about referral marketing. You know, I talk on this channel a lot about paid marketing. I run Google ads for a lot of cleaners. I also build websites and do organic. Howard focuses on referral marketing. So if you want to tap into your existing client base and get them to refer you to all of their friends and family and colleagues, then Howard's the guy that you want to learn from. Howard owns a carpet cleaning business in Houston that does a couple $1 million a year. He's been in the industry for a long time. So if you don't know his name, Google him, read some of the stuff that he's put out there. You'll get the idea that Howard's been around the block quite a few times, right? So you can definitely learn a thing or two if you just want to sit down and listen to some of what Howard's put out there. I know he's got videos out there. He's got books out there. There's all kinds of material that you could look into if you're interested in learning about referral marketing. Howard says referrals are a hedge against ad failure. And one of the big reasons he says you need to have referrals built into your marketing plan is that if you want to get into high-end homes, if you want to work in high-end neighborhoods, you're going to have a referral. High-end clients almost always need a referral before they hire somebody. They're not just going to pick you up off of an ad on Google and decide to hire some stranger who's never been into their gated community, who's never served their neighbors' homes, who's never cleaned for their friends and family. Some of these high-end neighborhoods, Howard's absolutely right. You're going to have to know somebody to get into that neighborhood. And once you get into that neighborhood, you're gold, right? So if you want to learn how to do that, Howard put on a great talk at the Experience. He also did a webinar just this morning. Apparently today is Howard's birthday. It's Thursday, September 15th right now. So happy birthday, Howard. I was on your webinar this morning. I snagged this picture when I met Howard on the trade show floor. He's a great guy. So if you want to learn something, reach out to Howard. He's got groups that you can join. He's got webinars you can sign up for. He's got a path for you to grow your cleaning business by working directly with him. So reach out to Howard if you want to grow your business. Now, I mentioned this in the intro, but there's been a big shakeup with Google Business Profile. And I don't know if you've noticed this in your area. I manage quite a few Google Business Profiles for my clients, so I've definitely noticed it in one area in particular. But I'm also hearing rumors in the SEO community, the search engine optimization community, the local search community especially. I'm hearing rumors about a shakeup with Google Business Profile this week in particular. I'm also seeing that at least one of the profiles that I manage temporarily lost all of their traffic earlier this week. Now that some of that traffic has started to come back, which is a great sign. But Bright Local says that this seems to be affecting service businesses in particular. So if you own a carpet cleaning business, a cleaning business of any type, if you don't have an address displayed on your Google Business Profile, if instead of an address, you have a service area listed, like let's say you list out that you serve all of Lafayette County, right? That's your service area. If you're a service area business on Google business profile, you might be affected by this bug. We're not sure if it's a bug. We're not sure if it's part of a new algorithm update. There's kind of a lot going on right now because this bug, this issue, it's hot on the heels of Google's helpful content update that just came out a couple weeks ago. Also on the heels of a September core update that Google just released. They just announced that. So there's a lot going on with Google right now, and I wouldn't be surprised if you saw your Google business profile, your website rankings, all of that stuff moving around a little bit this week and next. So I'm hearing a lot of speculation about what's going on. Could be a bug, could be an algorithm update, but I'm not seeing any signs of penalties or suspensions, and I'm not hearing anything like that from other people who manage a lot of business profiles. So what I would recommend is don't freak out. This might all be temporary. I would also recommend that you don't go out and make a bunch of updates to your profile. Just leave your profile alone for right now. This is probably a really bad time to make a bunch of updates to your profile because you don't want to tempt the fates and end up getting your profile delisted accidentally. And by the way, if you need help with your Google business profile, don't hesitate to reach out. If your traffic has dropped off, if you're dealing with a suspension, if you think you might be impacted by this bug, you can go to BookCleaningJobs.com and you can book a call to speak with one of our specialists, or you can just leave a comment below. Let me know the name of your business. Let me know your business's website URL. Just leave that in the comments below and I'm happy to have my team take a look at it. Next up, if you've gotten any value out of this video at all, leave us a like and hit the subscribe button if you're serious about growing your carpet cleaning business in the next year. I have a lot of clients who've really grown over the last year. There's nothing that makes me more proud than seeing carpet cleaners who are consistently meeting their goals or beating their goals month after month. And honestly, a lot of those carpet cleaners I've met here through YouTube. So if you want to be one of them, start by hitting the like button, start by hitting the subscribe button, watch the rest of the videos that I'm going to post this year. And if you're ever looking for help with your carpet cleaning business, feel free to reach out. In the meantime, I don't want to leave you empty-handed, okay? I never want to leave you empty-handed. If you're confused about how all of this fits together, if you're not sure how to market your carpet cleaning business, if you're not even sure where to start, if you wish someone would just give you a cheat sheet to help you get started, then you're in luck. Head on over to BookCleaningJobs.com/cheat sheet and request a copy of the free carpet cleaning marketing cheat sheet. We've worked with a lot of carpet cleaning businesses over the years. We've learned a lot about how to get more phone calls, how to get more leads, how to get more online bookings, and how to grow a carpet cleaning business. I put all of that into this carpet cleaning marketing cheat sheet because I want to help as many carpet cleaners as possible grow their business. So go grab a free copy of that. Again, it's at BookCleaningJobs.com/cheat sheet. That's it for this week. I'm Ruben with BookCleaningJobs.com. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.